Hi parents! Welcome back to Parents Raising Kids. Have you ever found yourself saying, "Just one bite, please," while your child stares down a single pea like it's the enemy? Picky eating is something nearly every family faces at one stage or another. It can leave you feeling frustrated, guilty, or even worried that your child isn't getting the nutrients they need. So today, let's look into the question, how do I get my child to eat healthy foods without mealtime turning into a battle? We'll explore why kids resist healthy foods, how to gently encourage balance, and ways to make eating nutritious meals something everyone actually enjoys. Why kids resist healthy foods. Let's start by understanding why your child might not want to eat those veggies. Sometimes it's about control. Kids love to feel independent, and saying no to broccoli might be one of the few things they can control in their day. Other times, it's sensory. Some children are sensitive to textures or smells. A mushy banana or a strong-smelling veggie can feel overwhelming. And for many, it's about familiarity. They simply need to see, smell, or touch a new food several times before feeling ready to take a bite. Instead of thinking my child is being stubborn, try thinking my child is learning, because that's exactly what's happening. They're learning how to explore new foods at their own pace. Here's a comforting truth. Most kids eventually expand their taste buds as they grow. What matters most is the positive environment you create around food. Make healthy eating fun. Kids are naturally curious and playful, so bring that energy to the table. Here are a few simple ideas. 1. Play with presentation. Create colorful rainbow plates or fruit faces. Let carrots become rocket sticks and blueberries be tiny planets. The more visual and playful the plate, the better. 2. Let them help. Children love feeling important. Let them wash veggies, stir ingredients, or sprinkle cheese on top. When they help make it, they're proud, and that pride makes them want to taste their masterpiece. 3. Use fun names. Call broccoli dino trees, peas powerballs, and smoothies superhero juice. It's amazing how a silly name can spark curiosity. Try taste testing games. Blindfold your child and have them guess which fruit they're tasting. Turn it into a giggle-filled experience. Remember, when eating feels like an adventure, not a chore, kids are more open to trying new foods. Focus on exposure, not pressure. Here's a big one. Don't pressure your child to eat. I know it's tempting. We just want them to get those nutrients. But pressuring, bribing, or forcing often makes things worse. Instead, focus on exposure. Offer new foods regularly, but in small portions beside their favorites. Keep your tone calm and matter-of-fact. Celebrate small victories, even if they just lick or smell something new. Each little step builds trust. Over time, that trust turns into curiosity, and curiosity leads to tasting. Remember, it can take 10 to 15 tries before a child truly accepts a new food. Patience is key. Model healthy habits. Children learn by watching us, even when we think they aren't paying attention. If your child sees you genuinely enjoying fruits and veggies, they'll be more curious about them. Make mealtime a shared experience. Sit together, talk about your day, and show excitement about the food you're eating. You can even say things like, "These strawberries are so juicy, they make me feel happy." That kind of positive talk helps kids connect food with good feelings, not stress. And if you have older kids, invite them to plan one meal a week. When they choose it, they feel ownership and pride. Be kind to yourself. If you don't think your child's diet is what it should be, it's okay. Just be gentle with yourself. No one's child eats perfectly, not even the families you see online, no matter what they may say. Healthy eating is a journey made of small, consistent steps, not strict rules. Focus on what's going well. Did your child try one new bite today? Celebrate it. Remember, love, connection, and a peaceful mealtime matter just as much as what's on the plate. So, there you have it. Getting your child to eat healthy foods isn't about control, it's about connection. When you turn mealtime into moments of fun and love, the rest will follow naturally. If this video gave you a few fresh ideas or a little encouragement, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let us know, what's the one food your child refuses to eat? Let's brainstorm creative ways to make it fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another parent who might need encouragement today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.